हमारी सरकार ने आईटी विभाग में कॉमन सर्विस सेंटर के मूवमेंट को बहुत तेज किया है कि हम पायलट प्रोजेक्ट के रूप में देश के 1800 ग्राम पंचायत में टेली लॉ का कार्यक्रम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं। इसके अंतर्गत क्या होगा कि हम एक पैरा लीगल वॉलंटियर को कॉमन सर्विस सेंटर में पोस्ट करेंगे और उस गांव में कोई गरीब है, उसको कोई कानूनी सहयोग की जरूरत है, परिवार में, संपत्ति में, दहेज को लेकर या बाकी परेशानियां हैं, तो उनको प्री लिटिगेशन लीगल एडवाइस मिले, तो वहां इनके पास वकील रहते हैं, तो निश्चित समय पर वो वकील उनको वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस से कानूनी सहायता देंगे।
Department of Justice, in partnership with Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, has started a novel service called TeleLaw. TeleLaw would connect lawyers from any location to citizen in search of legal service in remotest corners, anywhere and anytime. The initiative would play a vital role in empowering 1,000 paralegal volunteers, which would be provided by NALSA in UP and Bihar. However, in states of Northeast and Jammu and Kashmir, paralegal volunteers and panel lawyers would be provided by the Government of India in partnership with CSC SPV. The paralegal volunteer or PLV only identifies and brings the applicant citizen to CSC. PLV will participate in the meetings of Panchayat, Gram Sabha, Mahila Mandal, etc. The paralegal volunteer will be the first point of contact for the applicant citizen. VLE will register the applicant. The box of privacy undertaking will be checked. Name of the applicant, gender, BPL status, disability status, date of birth, phone number, case-related details and description will be uploaded. If the applicant belongs to the marginalized section category under Section 12 of the Free Legal Services Authorities Act 1987, for availing the service, they have to provide relevant documents to justify the category of beneficiaries. Once the registration is done, appointment date and time is shared with applicant. The applicant arrives at the CSC on the specified day and time for consultation. The VLE will help the applicant connect with the lawyer through the video conferencing facility at the CSC. Those cases where internet is not accessible, telephone or chat could be used to connect with lawyer. CSC will provide safe and secure environment for consultation. PLV and VLE will not be near the applicant while the consultation is going on. The applicant will have to bear 30 rupees per video consultation. In case of the marginalized section category, the fees will be reimbursed through DBT or direct benefit transfer to them. For proper monitoring of the above service, details of each session will be uploaded on the CSC portal with appropriate documents. This initiative will go a long way in helping poor and the marginalized in getting legal remedies.
CSC मेरी पहचान.
CSC है मेरी पहचान.
CSC kedega penim si sayang.
CSC मेरी पहचान.
TeleLaw. Justice for all. Anytime, anywhere.